November 2023. We ditch 2 wheels for 4, we head north for Scotland for our next adventure. Heading for Dumfries and Galloway, it was late on when we arrived at Loch. Absolutely pitch black, couldn't see a thing. The morning making our way up to Greenham to catch the ferry across to Hunter's Quay. Thankfully none of us suffer with seasickness, although Roxy, the dog, wasn't best pleased. Soaking up the spectacular Vally, we continue north for Fort William. Made camp for the night in Glenfinnan, just off the A830, next to the Callop river. We had planned to leave Glenfinnan and head for the Maleg ferry across to the Isle of Skye, but being as it was a Sunday, the ferry was only running late on at 4:30 in the afternoon, which kind of really scuppered the plans for the day. So instead, we headed for Aviemore.
Wait. Yeah, not a chance. Come here.
Like most of our adventures, we don't really have a set plan. We just drive and stop. do what we want when we see something nice. So I thought this would be a good chance for Roxy to stretch her legs, get some fresh air. Doggy cam.
Right. You need to go on the back and scrub your feet and then you just put into it.
So at some point this afternoon I got a text message off our kid simply saying Northern Lights could possibly be visible. So we headed for the highest point I could think of, which was the Glenmore ski resort in the Cairngorms, and we set up camp and settled in for the night, hoping that we may see the Northern Lights. Venison and beef. Oh yeah. Cheers, Ricardo. Definitely a night we will never forget. Next time we have mechanical issues and we go and see a polar bear.